Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best vintage TV trays is probably one of the most sought-after pieces of furniture for those who appreciate both functionality and a touch of nostalgia. They are not just practical for dining or working, but also serve as charming decor pieces that add a unique vintage touch to any room, transporting you back to a simpler time with their retro designs and timeless appeal, making them a perfect blend of practicality and aesthetic charm. Number 5. VASAGLE End Table. This stylish and functional end table is perfect for any living space. Its versatile design makes it ideal for use as a side table, TV tray, or even a bedside table. Its unique C-shape allows it to fit snugly next to your sofa or chair. You can also easily tuck it away under your bed when not in use. With its spacious tabletop, it's perfect for your laptop, a snack, or simply as an occasional table. It's incredibly versatile. It's built to last with a combination of durable particle board and a sturdy steel frame. The rounded corners add to its safety and appeal. It features a simple structure, numbered parts, and clear instructions, making assembly quick and easy. You'll have it set up in no time. It comes with both wheels for easy movement and adjustable feet for stability. Choose the option that best suits your needs. What we like? It's a C-shaped tray that fits perfectly next to your sofa. It can be used as a laptop desk or dining table. If you need a versatile and easy-to-assemble side table, this is the one for you. What people say? Its versatility works well for my needs. I am able to use the wheels while using it near my sofa and without wheels when I use it for my chaise lounge. The difference of with or without wheels makes this perfect for me. The table was easy to assemble and comes with a small wrench and Allen wrench, so no tools from home are necessary. It took 20 minutes to put together, including the unpacking time. The table was packaged by manufacturer perfectly and came without any scratches or missing parts. This is an easy-to-assemble solidly built table that works well for sofas love seats. It's not going to win any fashion awards, but it doesn't look like cheap plastic either. Number 4. TableMate Ultra TV Tray. It's the ultimate in convenience and style. This tray table offers unparalleled adjustability and stability for all your needs. Its sturdy polypropylene top is perfect for meals, and the adjustable cup holder prevents spills. Plus, there's a handy device holder for your phone or tablet. No tools are needed. Simply slide the legs together, insert the rods, and attach the tray. Folding and storing it away is just as easy. With 6 heights and 3 angles, it offers 18 different positions to perfectly suit your needs, whether you're eating, working, or relaxing. It's more than just a TV tray. Use it as a laptop desk, bedside table, or even a small work surface. It holds up to 40 pounds. The L-shaped legs smoothly slide around furniture, providing easy access and eliminating annoying crossbars. It's thoughtfully designed for your comfort. What we like? This tray adjusts to multiple heights and angles. It's super easy to assemble and folds away for storage. If you're looking for an adaptable and convenient tray for various uses, this is perfect. What people say? I use my Ultra model exclusively for my iPad and it works perfectly without giving me a painful neck. As you can see from my photo, I have it angled down and at the maximum height so I can cross my legs, and often use a soft stand that I already owned. That works well for me. With all the height adjustments and the choice of a flat table or angled down, I would think everyone could find a way to hold their device at the correct angle for viewing. I like the way this particular table can easily slide on a rug to fit comfortably close to me, especially with the curved surface on this model. Works just fine. It wobbles just slightly but not enough to be a problem. The legs are thick and strong. The iPad/iPhone slot works just fine. It has a wide range of height adjustments. Really like this. Very convenient, don't have to fold it. Fits under the easy chairs and sofas very well. Number 3. eHemco Folding TV Tray Tables. It's the ideal companion for movie nights or casual dining. This versatile tray fits seamlessly into any living space. Experience comfort and stability with its sturdy metal frame and secure retaining clip. It's more than just a tray, it's a comfortable dining solution. The sleek black finish complements any decor. Its durable metal frame and MDF top ensure long-lasting use. It folds flat for easy storage and portability. The rubber grips on the bottom prevent spills and keep it securely in place. With dimensions of 19x15x26, it provides ample space for your snacks, meals, or remote. It's the perfect size for any need. This tray is a convenient addition to any home. Enjoy comfortable and stylish dining wherever you are. What we like. These trays are foldable and easy to store. They're made from durable materials and come in a convenient 2-pack. If you need a pair of sturdy, portable trays, this set is a great option. What people say. They are sturdy and nice looking. I like the way the trays can be opened or closed with one hand. They stand well and are stable when opened up, and being resin plastic, they are not easy to damage with spills and spots. They also have enough well-positioned legroom so that they would actually be usable as a TV tray or as a small work table around the house. The tops are MDF or medium-density fiberboard, so they are compressed wood. I still think they are durable and easy to keep in decent shape, and I would still buy this product again. Actually, the fiberboard might be better than plastic tops because it is more solid, not as irregular in being level and smooth, etc., and may not distort or sag as easily over time. Number 2. Home Basics Paris Folding Table. It's the perfect blend of style and functionality. This elegant table is ready to use right out of the box. The beautiful Paris-themed design adds a touch of sophistication to any room. It's as much a decorative piece as it is functional. Use it for meals, working on your laptop, arts and crafts, or simply as a convenient snack table. It's incredibly versatile. Its sturdy steel legs and protective feet ensure stability and protect your floors from scratches. It's built to last. Easily folds flat for storage and is lightweight for easy transport. It's perfect for small spaces and moving between rooms. It's ready to use straight away, no assembly needed. Simply unfold and enjoy. What we like. This tray features an elegant design. It's great for snacks, working, or crafting. If you want a stylish and ready-to-use tray, this is it. What people say. It opens fine and the top is a fun pattern with old French postmarks, labels and writing. Makes a great cocktail holder for guests, TV try while watching TV. And when I don't need it I can fold it up and slip it behind a chair in a corner. Lightweight and very durable and useful. Very pretty, sturdy, reasonably priced snack tables. Perfect for my needs. Number 1. PJ Wood Rectangle Folding Tray Table. This versatile tray table lets you enjoy your favorite shows and snacks comfortably. It's perfect for movie nights or relaxing with a meal. Easily expand it to your desired size and set it upright. It instantly adds style and functionality to any room. Meticulously crafted from solid wood, it's built to last. Enjoy its durability and timeless appeal for years to come. When you're finished, simply collapse it for easy storage. Keep your living space clean and clutter-free. With dimensions of 14.57 x and 19.09 l x 26 h, it offers a spacious, flat surface for all your needs. Enjoy a comfortable and convenient experience. This set includes 2 identical tables, giving you double the convenience and style. What we like. This set includes 2 solid wood trays. They're built to last and add a touch of elegance. If you appreciate quality and want a beautiful, long-lasting set, this is for you. What people say. Beautiful wood color and very sturdy TV trays. Fold up nicely to store. The tabletop has a nice shine to the dark finish. The trays are lightweight and have a simple opening and closing mechanism that doesn't eat your fingers. The tray tops are sturdy enough for typical uses like food, lightweight electronics, crafts, etc. These are pretty, sturdy, and function well. They do not have a storage rack as noted, but fold away nicely. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.